Today it's time for another upgrade for this Kamax. After I bought my KX 250F over there, I upgraded my foot pegs on that. I wanted to have a bit wider and with sharper teeth to have a better grip on the bike. And I really like that. So now I have bought new foot pegs for this bike too. These are also wider and they are also a bit sharper teeth. They're not as sharp as on the KX, but they are quite a lot sharper than the original ones on this bike. It's not that I have to replace my foot pegs or anything like that. It is just that I would like to have the wider ones and a little bit sharper teeth. There's nothing wrong with them. The left one is a little bit deformed, but that is nothing that I notice while riding, so that isn't any problem at all. And these pegs, they shall also be 3 millimeters lower. Not that I think that I will notice a 3 millimeter lower foot peg, but it doesn't really matter. It could actually be pretty good since I'm standing, sitting a lot, and I have the lowered seat. So I can feel that in my thighs when riding for 2 hours or so. So we'll see. And these foot pegs are pretty affordable, I would say, around $39. And they are for KTM, so they should fit like a glove on this one. But time will tell, so let me start with that. When I compare the foot pegs like this, it's very easy to see that they are wider. It also looks, if I put them on top of each other, that these are going a little bit more to the back of the bike, approximately 10 millimeters or so. It also looks like they are sticking down a little bit less, but here maybe it's not hitting any rocks or ruts or anything, but at least they are a little bit lower here. And let's take a look and see how wide they actually are. Measure in here to see. This one is a little bit bent, so 50 millimeter, the original one. This one just over 63, so 13 millimeters wider. So let's try to put it on the bike. And the pegs, they are coming with new pin and spring and safety pin as well. I'm going to use the old springs. It's not as strong as the new one, so it should be a bit easier. The pin is going a little bit towards the gear shift lever. Okay, there they are. Okay, here we have it. Right now it looks like it's leaning forward, but the bike is hanging a lot forward on this stand. That's it. Now I have one more, but I'm gonna spare you from watching me struggling with that one. Here we can see that the brake pedal lever is lined with the pegs. With the stock peg and the stock lever, it was very, very low, so it was very difficult to reach it while standing up and going downhill. So this is promising. Maybe I have to adjust the gear shift lever a little bit, but we will see. I think they look really nice at least. I hope they will feel really nice too. So this is it for this video. The pegs are mounted and ready for a test ride. This is all I got for this time. If you got this far, please consider giving the video a like if it gave you anything. Have a good day. See you in the next one.